everybody, this is Jonathan. Today we're going to try Best Choice microwave burger with Best Choice uh, American cheese with the bun is bunny bread. So we're going to try it. The microwave burger is pretty good. Tastes similar to Ballpark. Yeah, I didn't think it would taste this good. Cheese alright too. Sorry about the cats in the background. Hmm. I gotta get my neck in again. Mint neck. Neck. Oh, I can't say it now. I'm tongue tied because it's so good. Mm. I'm amazed it tastes so much like Ballpark. And the cheese kind of tastes like Kraft a little bit, even though it's Best Choice. And I got Best Choice mustard on it. It just tastes like mustard. Only thing that's not Best Choice is the bread. It's the bunny bread. Bunny bun. That's what they call it. Hmm. Sorry about that. Oh, almost went down the wrong pipe. It's so good, man. Now, try some Best Choice potatoes. Now they look a little burnt, but they're brown. I'll give them a little taste to it. I ain't gonna eat it all of it. I'm done with that. Best choice potatoes to regular potatoes. I'll just say it just tastes like a regular potato. I'll give it a 9. I love potatoes anyways. I'll give it a 9. On the hamburger that I just made with the buns were really good. And the microwave burger tastes like a ballpark. I'll give those two the tie at 8.5. And the cheese, I give it 8.5. And the mustard, I give it a 9. When I put it all together, I say give it a 9.5. The all combination did work good. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll send you another video in a day or a couple of days. And thank you for watching.